Right, so at number 2, onthou hier het hulle net vir my gesê, vereenvoudig die volgende and leave your answer in exponential form where necessary. Okay, so weet jy kom ek daar nog is gelyk aan het nie, want dis nie nodig. Okay, so what I did at 2 is I said 2 to the power of 8 plus 4, want daai boonsies mag ek mos by mekaar tel, en dan omdat ek nou na die onderkant van die breek toe gaan, because we're dividing, I'm going to say minus that exponent of 5. And that gave me 2 to the power of 7. Nee. And we didn't have to go any further than that. Ek mag hom so gelos het in exponentiële vorm. Okay. Right, at B, the first thing that you had to do here is multiply in those two exponents. This will come by 3 to the mag 8. And then I take top exponent minus the bottom ones. And this will come by 8 minus 5 minus 2. And that means that it would be 3 to the power of 2. Jy het dalk nou, ja? Oh, 1. Dan is dit net 3. 3 to the mag 1 of net 3. Maybe some of you wrote 3 over 1. That's the same thing, né? Okay. Any other questions there? Can I skip? Okay, that's number 7. What I did here is that to the power 3 applies to everything in the bracket. So 2 to the mag 3 maal 5 to the mag 3. Dis wat ek daar gekom het. Nou sal jy sien al my basisse is of 'n 2 of 'n 5. So then I put those that has got a base of 3 together, of 2 together. So the 3 minus the 1, want hier is mos eintlik 2 tot die mag 1. En toe ek gaan groepeer die wat 'n basis van 5 het, so 5 tot die mag 3 minus 2 minus 3. And if I simplify that, you would get 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of minus 2. But some of you might have kept it in the fraction form, which means it would be 2 to the power of 2 over 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so enige een van daai twee is reg. Any questions there? Kan ek maar skep? Jy hoef nie dit hier te geskryf het nie, net terwyl ek nou wag, sê ek ons vir my gou-gou. Sien jy dat albei van hulle se eksponente is 'n 2, nee, is 'n kwadraat. So one of the rules said that we can actually write that as 2 over 5 to the power of 2. Nee, dis mos dieselfde. Is julle by? Ja, maar jy hoef nie dit so te gegee het nie. Ek sê net dat julle weet van daai reël ook nou. Okay, hands up, we're still copying? Good. Number 9. Ek het heel eers gou daai twee eksponente gaan maal. So dis hoe ek kom by 3 tot die mag 9. Die res bly dieselfde behalwe vir daai 49. I changed that to a 7 to the power of 2. Nou is al my basisse of 'n 3 of 'n 7, so I grouped together. So 3 to the power of 9 minus this 2 minus the 5. En dan my 7's, 7 tot die mag 3 minus daai 2. Right, as ek dit gaan vereenvoudig, then I'll get 3 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 1, maar jy kon maar net gesê het 7. Okay. Any questions? Kom julle reg met hierdie? Okay. Kan ek skip? Jy skryf hom. Ja. Maal. Ja. Okay. Jy reg. Jy het nie gister se video gekyk nie, né? Okay. Vanmiddag as jy kansie kry, probeer vir my nie. Okay. Goed. Net dat julle seker maak op by die mense wat nie gister was nie, né? Alright. Okay, so over here, the 125, I broke it up. and said that would be 5 to the power 3 en dan nog steeds in hakkies tot die mag 4. Goed, onder daai 15 het ek gaan opbreek en sê dis mos 5 maal 3. Nee. Okay, nou hierdie twee eksponente moes ek gaan maal and that's how I get to the 5 to the 5 to the power of 12. Then the top part, all I did here, kyk gou daar, 3 tot die mag 2 maal 3 is mos eintlik 3 tot die mag 3. Nee. Okay, en dan onder die lyn het ek daai tot die mag 4 by elkeen van hulle gaan sit. So dan kry ek 5 tot die mag 4 maal met 3 tot die mag 4. Now, I saw that these two would be cancelled out. So then at the top, and then, miskien moet ek dit net 'n ekstra stapie insit. Dan kon jy bo gesê het 3 tot die mag 15, because that 12 plus the 3, and at the bottom 3 to the power 4. And then, it's actually then... Nee, ekskuus, wat het ek nou? Daar was 'n basis van 3 en 'n basis van 5, sorry. Ja. So 5 tot die mag 12 bly net so. Dan as jy net gou gaan kyk na hierdie. At the top I had 3 to the power 3 and at the bottom 3 to the power 4. So there was actually a 3 left then at the bottom. So dis waar hy vandaan kom. But any questions? Yeah.
Could you have said 5 to the power of 4
Yeah.
times 3 to
To
the
the
power
power
of
of -1, yes. Yeah, that's also correct. Enige ander vrae? Okay, kan ek skip? Okay, now we're going to be 2 to the mag x maal 2 to the mag 3, because base is the same and we're multiplying, I could just go and add them. So 2 to the power of x plus 3. By nummer 5, daai tot die mag x. Tel ons vir alles binne in die hakkie. En ek wil net gou-gou vir 15 opmerk, né? Okay, so kyk gou-gou daar. Any questions at 5 or 11? Okay, kan ek skip? Okay, jy skryf aan. Okay, klaar. Dries, hoe ver is jy? Okay. Want daai laaste een was 'n lekker enetjie. Okay, kom ons kyk gou. This quarter is the same as 4 to the power of -1. Nee. And then at the bottom of that fraction, julle kan hom nou sien nie, daai 16 het ek net gaan opbreek en sê dis mos 4 tot die mag 2. Nou, hierdie -1 maal -3x will become positive 3x. Nee? Then on the right hand side, this will become 1 over 4 to the power of 2x. Maar toe gaan skuif ek daai boontoe, which means that it becomes 4 to the power of -2x. Is julle nog by? Now, both of these have a base of 2. And we are multiplying, which means that I could go and add those exponents. Met ander woorde 4 tot die mag 3x plus daai -2x. Nee, but this will become a minus then eventually. So 3x minus 2x just gives me 1x. So your finale antwoord is 4 tot die mag x. Okay. Enige vrae? Good. Dan ouens, het julle mos nou daai klaswerk. So whatever you haven't done yet, please make sure that is done for tomorrow. So dis dan nou huiswerk. Okay.